Jessie.
Hi, Olivia.
You look sad. Is something bad happen?
Yes, I feel disappointed with myself.
Why?
Here, look at my examination result. It is bad.
Don't worry, you can do well on the next examination.
I don't know. I'm not sure.
One thing that you must do is to study even harder than you did before. I know you can do it.
Thanks, Olivia. Debbie, I heard Danny is leaving today.
Yes, he will go to Semarang today.
Have you said goodbye to him?
Is it necessary?
Yes, of course. You two are friends, right?
Yes, but I think it will make me sad saying goodbye to him.
You will be more sad if you didn't. You have to go to his house now before he left.
Okay.